Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will study all about lime. We know that lime is a major constituent of cement, and the proportion of lime in cement is also one of the greatest things. So now if I have large amount of lime in the cement will expand and it will crack up very easily. But if I have low amount of lime in my cement, the cement will set so easily and so quickly that we won't be able to either spread it or use it properly. Now let us see what exactly this lime is. The commercial calcium carbonate CaO is known as a quicklime. It is obtained by the calcination of naturally occurring materials like limestone, chalk, marble, oyster shell, etc., which are rich in CaCO3. So what exactly is CaCO3? CaCO3 is calcium carbonate, and we get this from all the natural products which are present. We get it from sand, which is very easily available. We get it from oysters, we get it from shales, we get it from marble. All of these contain CaCO3 in it, and from this CaCO3 we manufacture something known as lime. So how do we do that? Let's see the reaction of it. We have CaCO3 in presence of heat to redness. Now what do you mean by heat to redness? Depending on from which source I have obtained the CaCO3. It can be from any source. That CaCO3 should be heated to red. Now the temperatures to which either of the CaCO3s are treated from all the other sources can be different, and that is the reason why we do not have an exact temperature on the arrow mark over here. But we have to make sure that the CaCO3 we get from any of the source should be heated till it turns red in color. Now since it turns red in color, what happens exactly is the only thing that is left is CaO, and that is the calcium oxide, and the another CO2 just goes away in the air. So making lime is very easy. Just get calcium carbonate CaCO3, heat it till it turns red, so it will turn into CaO plus CO2. CaCO3. Now when I say CaCO3, Ca stands for calcium, C stands for carbon, and O stands for oxygen. So now let us see the balancing of the reaction. On the reactant side I have calcium, one calcium on the reactant side. On the product side also I have one calcium. I have one carbon on the reactant side, one carbon on the product side. Oxygen. Now on the reactant side I have in all three oxygens because it is O3. On the product side it is CaO plus CO2. So the one oxygen is attached to Ca and two oxygens are attached to carbon. So this O plus O2 forms O3. So I have total 3 oxygens on the reactant side, forming 3 oxygens on the product side. Limestone is usually associated with silica, alumina and iron oxide. Now what are silica, alumina and iron oxide? All these are other ingredients of cement. So all these constitute together. These constitute the chief impurities. It is also associated with magnesium carbonate, which is MgCO3 as an impurity, but MgCO3 is in very small amounts as compared to the silica, alumina and iron oxide. So to get the purest form of CaO, we have to get rid of all other impurities. So in this video we learned about lime, how it is actually being prepared and from which all sources we get it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.